In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Ecwid store with your Drupal website. It's actually really simple. Head over to drupal.org/project/ecwid_shopping_cart, and you'll see the Ecwid E-commerce Shopping cart module that's freely available for your Drupal website. You can read all of the documentation here, but if you scroll down to the very bottom, you can just do one of two things: download either the tar or the zip, or simply copy the link. Make sure you're getting the version of the module that corresponds to the version of Drupal that you're using. Head back over, click Extend, and install. Paste or upload the file that you downloaded a moment ago and install. You probably saw I'm working on just a brand new vanilla Drupal website. If I collapse core, you'll see a new section called Commerce. Go ahead and put a check mark in the Ecwid E-commerce Shopping cart module and click Install. Well, it's that simple. When you're done, there's a new menu option up here in the black menu bar called Ecwid, and you'll click Setup. And at this point, all you have to do is connect to your Ecwid store. If you don't have one, well, you can create one there. Click Connect. You should be logged into your Ecwid store, but if you're not, a login notice will appear. You'll log into your store and then click Accept. And that's it. Your entire store is now directly available inside your Drupal site. I can click on Store Dashboard, it'll load my control panel, and here is Ecwid. If I click on Storefront, well, you guessed it, my entire store is available for people to use right within my Drupal site. It doesn't get much simpler than that. Ecwid embedded in Drupal.